Hi everyone. I just wanted to check in with you and just know that I realize this is a very trying time for many of you, and you're experiencing some unprecedented experiences at work as well as in our personal lives as well. So I just wanted to touch base with you. If you have any questions, concerns, if you're having challenges with completing some of the assignments, let me know, because I realize that there is just a tremendous burden upon all of you in almost every aspect of your life. And actually adding to that is, of course, being in school. So please do reach out if there's anything that I can assist you with, or if I can help you in any way, or if you need us to kind of make accommodations, let me know. Take care, stay safe and healthy.